Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money with the Nikki Live app, and aside that, withdraw directly to your local bank account. You can see here the say phone arrive in 24 hours. Right now you guys can see that I have $7.17. So for some of my fans that have been asking me that, Vibe with Sonia, where do we make money? Where is the other live stream app that we can make money? Nikki Livestream app is also one of the app I can recommend to you, because I have been making money with Nikki Livestream app and I've been able to withdraw as well. First, for disclaimers, feel free to carry out your research before diving into it. This is not a financial advice. With that being said, let's dive into unlimited ways you can make money from the Nikki Live app. Now I am just going to go back, and I know why I am recording with my other phone, so that you don't get to have some of the videos blur. You understand? Like there are some videos I will do and I'll find out at the end of the day it is dark at the end. You understand? Because of their rules and regulation there. Now, the first way you can make money on Nikki Live app is inviting friends. You can see here in $12.5, in $12.05 just from invites. Now this $12.05 with Nikki is not that when you just invite you're going to be making all. It's not like that. Now what they do is that they're going to be breaking it down for you to be able to get all of this reward one after the other. But yes, in total you can be able to make 12.5 USDT just from inviting. So for you to know more, you click on this, their rules, for you to see how they have been able to break down the rules and regulation when it comes to making money on Nikki Livestream through invite. The invite person can get the corresponding reward after completing the following tasks. Note, the invite anchor daily broadcast time is up to 2 hours. Now you can see it here. There are different ways that they break it down to the point whereby you get your complete money, right? So yes, that is one of the ways. So if you're just hearing of Nikki Livestream for the first time, do well to click on my link in the description box. Use my link to join, and I'll be so grateful for that, right? That's the first way. The second way you can make money is through live stream. Okay, you live stream here. Now with this live stream, all you basically need to do is to go live. Now if you click on this button here, you're going to see go live. Then you're going to go live, and once you go live, you have tasks that you're performing. Apart from that, people will also come support your live stream. But the beautiful part I love about Nikki Livestream app is you don't necessarily need to get gifters before you are going to cash out, because once you're live streaming you also have some tasks that you are performing, and that is why you see all of these people live streaming here, because they know that yes, there is money and there is reward in live streaming. So that is the second unlimited way you can make money from Nikki Livestream app. Now, to make it more sweeter, once you click on live stream and you're live streaming, because as you can see here, I'm live streaming, they have other crown seat tags so that people can actually come and sit and perform their tags. So you're only not making money or getting your reward from live streaming, but you're also going to be entitled for all of this. I need to end this because they are showing me that I'm not here, right? Now you can see that once I'm done live streaming, because I've not stayed up to 1 hour, that's why I cannot be able to claim these beans. I will claim these beans. These beans, it is represented as coins. You understand? When you are hearing coins, their own is beans. So I'll be able to like claim this, okay? So now guys, the third way that you can make money from this particular Nikki Livestream app is by what? Is by playing games. Now you can see their game here. You see this game button here. You click on this game button. Now if you click on this game button, you're going to be having what? Gift wheels, lucky number, you can see lucky number 1 here, lucky number 2 here. You can see Asafat, and I hope I'm pronouncing it very well. And there's Speed Legends. These are games that people play and make money. But my best game on this particular live stream is this gift wheel, because I feel like it is very, very simple, you understand, for me to like understand. So the best thing I advise you, if you really want to make money here, is make sure that any game that you are going to be playing, you understand that game very well before diving into it. So don't just pick out games or just start playing games that you don't understand. So a lot of people make money here from what? From playing games. So you can also check out their games, and I will do a video on that. Now, another limited way you can make money, which is like the fourth way now, is to join the seats. You can see all of these seats here. All of these seats are open for you to be able to sit here and perform tasks. You understand? You can see these people sitting here. All you need to do for you to join is here. You click on this place and then you join. Now, once you come into the house or anybody's house that you want to sit on their seat, you're going to see Miss Sonia. Just take, for example, they're going to call your name. Follow me and don't miss out the next broadcast. This is as simple that as this person is performing her tasks, you also going to be sitting here and performing your tax. Now, once she is done, she is also going to look for a seat and then sit to perform her tax. You understand? And now you can see the tax reward here. The tax reward here will also be reading for you. So ensure that you're not only on Nikki Livestream app, but you are joining to also do what? Understand what it means for you to perform your tax here. And trust me, you will not regret it. I always say this: ensure you carry out your full research so that you will know what you're diving into. But trust me, you see this particular Livestream app, yes, you can make money. Now, if you check this other end, which is the gift box, which is like the fifth way you're going to be making money, you click on the gift box. These are where you also do what is called gamble and win. You understand? You can see the popular lucky, hobby, and backpack. Now, with this lucky, you'll be able to gamble. And now, once you're gambling, you are going to be what? Making money. Okay, now just have it in mind that for you to gamble, it is 50-50. Once you are in this popular end and you are gifting anybody with your popular end, it simply means that that person is going to be making money without you gambling until you get into this place that you are going to gamble. Now, this hobby is also other things that you can use to like give them out. Now, this backpack is where you get your coins that you use after playing. Now, this is the coins I have here, and I can exchange this, which is sand clock. I can exchange this clock, this sand clock, and then the money will be added directly to my account where I am going to withdraw. Now, I got this from playing the gift wheels, and of which I'm going to be doing a video how you can play the gift wheels. You understand? Now, if you're looking for any live stream app you want to live stream and make money, do well to check out Nikki Livestream. But I will tell you that before you make sure that you click on lucky for you to be able to gamble, study the app very well. I've been able to study this app for over a year now that I've been on this app, and I've not had any back crash. So make sure you study it very well so that anything you're doing here, you are definitely not going to regret it. Another beautiful part I love about this Nikki Livestream app is they have reward for you that they give to their reward for returning friends and returning followers, right? You can see here, this particular reward, I have received it, and this particular reward, I have also received 100 coins. Now, they have days for you to be able to log in. Now, the more you keep logging in on these days, this reward, you are going to be cashing out those reward. And once you cash out those reward are going to be added to where you can actually exchange and put directly to your account. So you can see that even without doing anything, you are also going to be receiving some reward here, and of which I feel like it is a great opportunity for you to check out this and then thank me later. Now, for those ones that are always asking me, where do I see my tax? All you need to do is to go back to your profile, okay, which is this me that you guys are seeing here. So if you click on this, your me, it takes you back to your profile, and then you're going to go ahead and click on your tax. Then you're going to be seeing all the tax that you need to complete for you to be able to receive anything that you are supposed to receive on Nikki Livestream app. So if you're looking for any Livestream app this 2025, try out Nikki Livestream app, and trust me, you will not regret it. If you have not joined and this is the first time you're hearing it, do well to use my link, which is my referral link in the description box, and thank me later. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do a lot in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.